Hello, and welcome to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is January the 28th, and on January the 17th, we sowed our Lobelia seeds, and on January the 24th, they started coming up for us. So I've taken them out of their enclosed container, and I've put them under our lights, under fluorescent lighting, and when they get their true leaves, I will start feeding them with a 1/4 teaspoon of Miracle-Gro to a gallon of water, and I will feed that to them once a week. And one thing that you want to make sure is that you never feed a dry plant, because you will risk burning the root system, and we don't want to do that. So I just wanted to show you our little Lobelia here, and it is still germinating for us. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I will try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. That'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.